Napansin ako, nagabalit ni si Yana, tama? Nagabalit ka, di ba? Nagasayaw ka, di ba? Okay, kids, asa na nagmana mo ang ballet skills? Ay, Papa. Ay, Papa daw. Sir, Kuya Lindon, can you please show us some ballet? Some ballet techniques. Ikaw, paano mag-dance ng ballet? Sample. Sample daw, Yana. Sample daw, paano mag-dance? Di ba nag-dance man ikaw? Nag-dance man ikaw? Nag-dance ka, di ba? Sample. Okay, overwhelmed lang si Yana. That's why hindi nakapagsalita. Okay, ganito na lang. Mag-ballet. Okay, I know Kuya Lincoln, maulawan din siya ng tao. Okay, what is your birthday message na lang to your daughter, Yana?
Utang, parayon sa Swila, Marla.
Okay, what will you say to your papa?
Thank you.
Ayan. And now, Mary Masini, also please give Yana a happy birthday as louder and clear as you can. Just say, happy birthday, Yana, in 3, 2, 1, go!
Happy birthday, Yana!
Alright, and what will you say to the people in here?
Thank you, everyone.
Ayan.